Only on Christ 17 TV, baby. We on the way to Dirt Dogs. See what Dirt Dogs do. Vegas edition. Christ 17 TV. Got my nephew with me too. Right here. Check him out. Check him out. Look at this, huh? Hell yeah. What? Oh yeah. That do look good. The gorilla is wilding us. So we got the house dogs. Looky here, looky here, looky here. Look at that house dog there, man. Eat your heart out, pimpin'. Ooh, get in there somewhere. Bacon bits, onions, bell peppers, everything.
We got the house dog right here.
You got the house dog too? Hell yeah.
Right here, we got the chili fries right here.
Oh, you got the where you food at?
Ooh, look at that.
It was nasty?
Mm-hmm.
No,
Look at that.
Plain french
Good.
fries.
Ooh.
That's all good.
No, you said
It looks pretty right. Let me tell you, let me try this out right here.
Okay.
I remember that was
How the house dog, nephew? Ooh, boy, that shit look good. Shit hot as a motherfucker, huh?
Mm-hmm, cool.
It's cool?
It's cool, the bread. The best part.
Yeah?
I give it a 7.
A 7?
You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at the drink. Look at the fries.
Try these fries out.
Your fries look fire.
Fries might be just better than the dog.
Them fries look fire. The fries smell good too.
I like the cheese sauce they got on the fries.
Hell yeah.
But it's still like about an 8.
8?
7, 8.
For the house dog. Try not to fuck my hoodie up. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, yeah. Okay. It's decent. The bread is really good. I probably had to get this like a 7.3. But the bread is hella good.
Oh yeah, you want to try this first before I put it here so it looks presentable. And yeah, let's see.
I will have to try these fries now. See how the fries are now. Fries are good. You're right, y'all. This cheese is banging. See that cheese on that? Now the fries, I get the fries at 8.1. So we had Dirt Dogs, Fremont Street, Las Vegas, and we just did the house dog with the chili cheese fries. I get a dog 7.3, but the fries, the fries is banging. And that drink, fire as well, get at it 8.2. So this has been a little review with me and my nephew on the channel. His first time doing a food review with me, but we're gonna do a few this in the next few days. So stay tuned. From Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm Christ 17 TV. We will be back at you with more food reviews right upside your head. Catch y'all on the flip side, player.